Hey, Riley Photos here. How are you doing? Now, this is one of my favourite parts of the week. This is when I get my deliveries for my reviews on my Amazon store. So I've got some good stuff to have a look at. Thought I'd open it up, let you see what I'm going to be reviewing this week. We'll start with this one. I ordered this all at the weekend and it's just arrived, and I'll be trying it out, seeing what we think. Now this is a massive box of lens wipes, but not just any lens wipes. Zeiss lens wipes. Why wouldn't we use Zeiss? I mean, they make the best lenses, right? Doesn't it stand to reason that they're going to make pretty good material to look after those lenses? Why would you want to risk your pride and joy on something that you don't know? Zeiss lens wipes, individually wrapped. Get my words out. Individually wrapped, 200 of them. They guarantee them to be streak-free, scratch-free, and fast drying. So let's give these a go. See if they keep the lenses on the camera clean. And actually, I can hardly see anything through these. Might give the glasses a go. Right, next. Let's put those to one side. We have this. I've been looking forward to this. This is a Lacey D2 Professional, a hard drive, external hard drive for the computer. If you're doing video content, you know, look at that, 10 terabytes, 260 megabytes a second transfer on Thunderbolt or USB-C as USB 3. And also look here, it includes a 5-year guaranteed data recovery services. So if something happens, if this goes wrong and you lose vital data, that's pretty good, isn't it? Storage, it's 720 RPM, 128 meg cache. But you know, I've used these before, and the good thing about these Lacey units is how quiet they are. They're made of you know, really solid material, but the cooling fans seem to be, you know, almost, you almost can't hear them. So I'm really looking forward to plugging this in and getting it going and filling some of that 10 terabytes up. You know, with video, you just use so much space, don't you? And also, doesn't it look good? Look at that. It looks like something from James Bond, doesn't it? Because, I mean, that's the other thing. You have, you know, you have these Swish editing suites, and you want something that looks cool, and that looks like it comes off a Lamborghini. Nice big box. That'll be the phone. Whoa! Look at this, we have got, ooh, Manfrotto. That's nice, isn't it? Manfrotto Backpack, a nice little dinky one. And what I was thinking with this is it'd be ideal. You've got that camera, a couple of lenses and whatnot if you're doing some photography out and about and you want to travel quite light. What I'm going to use it for is when I'm recording video, I've often got different bags for different things. So I know that all the mics are in the sound bag, all the lights are in the lighting bag and whatnot. I'm going to use this as a sound bag. I'm going to put the shotgun mic down there and the personal mics here and the Zoom, the Rode mics in here, and this will be the new sound bag, or it could be the DJI bag. It could be the drone bag, or it could be the Osmo, you know, the gimbal bag. So many choices. It looks good. It's well made. It feels real quality. It's Manfrotto. It's going to be, isn't it? And it's got that nice little dinky red Manfrotto label. So that looks good. Let's get at it and give that a go. Last but not least, oh, this one's heavier. I know what this is. My lighting units have been well used. I've got a nice falcon eye light that I'm using on this at the moment. I use that all the time. It's one of those sort of bendy LEDs, so it's really easy to pack away, and it's really really good to be able to flex it down. But when I'm doing a little on-the-fly studio set and I just need a couple of lights, I need something more like this. What we have here is, can you see that? There, that's a newer 2 LED, 660 LEDs. So what it looks like in here. What do you get? Woo. Okay, so power. Two power cables. Here's the lights. Let's get one. Come here. This is what we're looking at. Nice and flat, look. You know, 20 years ago, these have been so big, you'd have needed to move them around in a van. There we go, look. Okay, so LED display, power here, colour temperature here, all on the LED display. You can use the battery, the Sony F550s or 750s or what is it, 950s, 970s on here if you want battery power, or of course you've got mains power as well. Got some barn doors and a little soft filter in there too, and they come with stands. There are 2 stands in there. This is just about everything you need to do a basic video setup. You know, you could get the 3. You want to do it if you wanted a backlighting as well, or you wanted to light the background. I often find a main and a fill, or a main and a backlight is plenty. You want to travel light when you're out and about, so you don't want too much stuff with you. So this looks really exciting. I'm very excited to go out and try those.
And these were all paid for by me with my hard-earned cash, so I can give a true independent review. Here we go, let's go out, let's see what they're like, and let's get some review films up on Amazon.